Hi, my name is Jorge, and I'm here with this is video number 3 on the series of improve your income, how to improve your monthly income. And what we have been talking about is about Empower Network and the opportunity that Empower Network gives anyone who wants to join. And we already mentioned that to join Empower Network, it'll only cost $25. And when you join for $25, you get a blogging platform together with the instructions or the training on how to do blogging. And then we have other products available that will teach you how to become an expert on internet marketing through a blogging platform, and that way be able to do either of two things. You can, if you already have a business and you want to drive more traffic, more clients, more leads to your business, you can use Empower Network to do that. And if you don't have a business already, then you can join Empower Network, and for $25 you start learning how to use the blogging system. Then you can buy and use the other products that Empower Networks offers, and you can start learning from those products how to become an expert on internet marketing and having the blogging system. And the blogging system is like a playground where you can implement things as you are learning them. So it is very exciting and very easy to do the training, and at the same time you are playing around, or not really playing, but actually working and beginning to have your blogs in the internet and be able to get traffic to your bloggings, and that way you can begin to make money selling the products that Empower Network has to offer. It is a very nice system. I had never done blogging in my life. I had never worked with internet marketing. I had done multiple MLM type of businesses in which I was not successful. I was never able to make any money on any of these companies, and until I found Empower Network, and now Empower Network has really changed my life. It has given me a lifestyle. It has given me a future. So this is why I want to talk to you about that, share with you. And what I want to talk today about the home business, which this is a home business that you can do 100% from home. What I want to say today is the importance of having the right vehicle to be successful in internet marketing. And this is where Empower Network comes and provides you with the blogging system that I already mentioned for only $25 a month if you decide to stay and to continue with the business. And for $25 a month you are going to get the blogging systems and the training to be able to use it effectively and be able to make money. Then we have another product which is called the Inner Circle, and these are videos, and most of them are videos that are presented by people who are already making $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month, and they give us, the way they're doing it, the procedure they're doing it, tips that we can do so that we can have similar results. And I'm talking about money, and I'm talking about a lot of money. And I want to make it clear that it's not guaranteed that you're going to make $50,000 a month or $100,000 a month like these people are doing. But you can do it if you do and follow, the steps that we are supposed to follow. It's not guaranteed, but if you follow the steps, anyone can do it. So I just wanted to make that clear, that it's not a guarantee that you join for $25, you start making $50,000 a month. it will not happen unless you do the work and follow each one of the steps and are able to commit to doing that. The vehicle is there and it has been proven. Thousands of people are already making a lot of money, and a lot of people that are just joining after 1 month and 2 months in the business, they are beginning to see results that they were not able to do before in any of their previous jobs or previous businesses that they had. So this is why this vehicle that Empower Network provides is excellent, and it's a very good opportunity for anyone, any age. I'm 65 years old. I started over 2 months ago, and I am having results already. And yes, the ability to be able to be here doing this video and talking about the opportunity is something that I never did before. I never did even. I had a camera, but I never did videos. I took some pictures of the family, and whenever we had some events at home or whatever, like everybody takes pictures, but I never did videos, and of course never I did a video of myself talking to someone. So now I was able to do that, and this is what I've learned with the trainings at Empower Network, and the videos that I received, and that are available for anyone who joins Empower Network. So it actually what Empower Network is like it's a company that will provide you with all the training so you become a better person and the best version that you can be of yourself. It is personal development together with internet marketing, and this combination allows you to reach levels of success that you never even thought possible before. And this is happening to people of all ages, young people. You have to be at least 18 years old to be able to join the company, of course, because of the law. But if you are 18 years or older, you can join and start learning and start working and start making some money. So this is an excellent business for single mothers that have to, although they have to, but they want to stay home with the children, be able to spend time with the children, and this is an excellent job, or this is an excellent business, home-based business for anyone who wants to stay home. I'm enjoying now the free time that I have at home to be able to do things that I was never able to do before, because I was always working, commuting, back and forth to work, spending, 8 to 10 hours at my work site, and then coming home and only having a few hours at home to be able to spend with my family. Now, working from home, I don't have to even use my car, use my gasoline, so I'm saving on car maintenance, I'm saving on gasoline, and I don't have to, I always get up early, but I don't have to. And there's a lot of people that, they are not morning persons, they are a little bit, people who like to wake up a little bit later. So this is excellent for these type of people that have a problem waking up early in the morning and staying at home is something that they are going to welcome. So I invite you to check this out. There is a link on the bottom of this blog that I'm going to take you to with this video. And if you if you found this video on YouTube and without the blogging, without the script and everything that I provide for you, then you can copy and paste the link that I am providing for you. It's just my name, www.mirandajorge.com. I also display it there on the video so you can see it, and you can click there or copy and paste, and then you will be able to see more information about Empower Network, how to join, and all the benefits that you get with this system. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.